Going upstairs?
Yep.
Yeah. We're in Ikea. Nice shoes. What's this? I like guy. Look at those cool shoes. My dad.
Hey, Fred, where'd you get those fancy shoes?
I don't know. I got them from someplace.
Oh, yeah.
We have arrived.
Don't die. You have to step off.
I will die.
Escalators make me nervous. Now what?
I don't know, walk around and look at cool things.
Let's follow girls.
Rainbow spine, blaze the way.
Every time I've ever gone to
Well.
IKEA, I've spent all day here, so I really don't know how to do a short
So you
trip.
just gotta run fast.
So take a nap on all of the...
That's for
Yeah.
Excuse me, folks.
Oh,
How long do we have?
excuse me, no. Please no. please no. Geek shot at 4.
It's cool.
So if,
sure?
if the airport's like a half
See
an
that
hour
toilet?
from here.
I did the never mind.
You did the do?
I did the do.
The doo-doo, man.
In theory, leave here at 3:50.
Yeah, you gotta drop
To
us
get
off
them
at our
back to their
car.
cars,
Oh, yeah.
and then
Yeah.
us to the airport.
Leave it three.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Drop me off.
I need to quit. Sorry.
Wait, what? Where?
Your shoes were clipping
Yes, you should
and the
stop
clopping.
clopping.
Oh, fish. Pet fish.
I'm a little concerned. Fish cushion fly. Things I didn't know I needed.
This is the store. There's things I did not know I needed at the store.
They know.
Is that what IKEA stands for?
Yeah, actually. It's one of those Swedish acronyms.
Pillow. 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 Pillow.